Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the battery or unplugging the unit to avoid any current. This protects the sensor and you. Set the device on a flat, static-safe surface and attach an anti-static strap if you have one. Locate the sensor clips and inspect whether they are latch, spring, or snap style. This determines the release direction. Once you know the orientation, position a thin plastic pry tool at the accessible edge and apply gentle, steady pressure to begin disengaging the clip. Now you move into the detailed disengagement. Use a thin plastic spudger or nylon pick rather than metal so you don't scratch contacts or tear flex cables. Place one tool under the free edge of the clip, and with your other hand supporting the sensor, press the hinge side or release tab. This eases tension evenly. Work around the clip in small increments. If it resists, pause and reassess the latch points. Once the tab starts to free, continue steady, incremental lifts until the clip clears the sensor edge. Finish by lifting the sensor straight up and out while keeping the cable alignment. You must avoid twisting the assembly since flex cables are fragile. Immediately lay the sensor on anti-static foam and cover it to prevent dust or electrostatic damage. Collect screws and clips in labeled containers. If a clip refuses to release, don't force it. Apply a tiny amount of 90% plus isopropyl alcohol to dissolve grime. Wait a minute, then try again. Troubleshooting tip. If a clip breaks,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.